It is time for dating tips and tricks, how to highlight your personality. But let me be honest, most of these dating profiles are extremely terrible. They're horrific. They're pretty bad. So maybe we're just going to laugh because we want the women to know what these dating profiles really look like. So here we go. Before we get started with the dating profiles, let's highlight Glenn. Glenn is a little peeved. He having a little tantrum because we're laughing about these dating apps and like, aren't you guys 4B and leaving men alone? Glenn, that does not mean that we cannot laugh at these terrible dating apps. Come on, let's be real. You know that these dating apps are horrendous. Anyways, your comment won't make it to my videos because I filter people like you and you don't get a voice. But at least, you made it to this video. All right, y'all, let's get to the profile. We're going to start off with Brocky. Brocky is 23. He says, I'm in a 5-year relationship. So he's been with someone for 5 years and he's only 23. I'm in a 5-year relationship, just looking for a homegirl, chill, like to smoke, drink, and maybe a little more, really. Just that one homegirl that wouldn't mind effing with me, but also keep in mind what position I'm in right now. We got 2 boys and currently pregnant with our first daughter. If that's a problem, just stay off top. Just say that off top. I am not the greatest father, but I'm always there for them and I try to be my best. So, y'all, if you're looking for somebody that already has 3 kids, well, 2.5 kids, and only 23, and basically he's staying with his baby mom because otherwise he probably would be homeless, y'all can swipe on Brocky. Let's check out Brocky. Okay, here's Brocky, y'all. Brocky looks like a stress and financial disaster, but whatever. If you have anything to say about Brocky and this disaster of a profile, let us know. Next, we have Dom. Dom is 43. He says, it's understandable that you, the reader, desires a man who is masculine, tall, hung, high earning, provides and protects. I respect that. But does your lifestyle reflect the equivalent of what you desire? My table is already prepared and reserved for the woman who earns the privilege by being in her feminine energy. You don't need to be a 10 to be the one. Disclosure, I should be able to pull you from a burning building. No interest in gold fronts, tattoos all over, unclassy nails, or tea people. All right, let's check out Dom. Dom's picture is highly filtered or AI generated because, yeah, right. But you know what? Dom has a picture and a profile and he capitalizes things in random places, but he lets y'all know that his table is already prepared and reserved for a woman who earns the privilege of being with this person. So, y'all let me know how y'all feel about that. So, when the woman sent me some of these screenshots, she did not include pictures with all of them. Now, this is Vincent. Vincent is 39 in search of friendship. His says, if you a female talking about you don't like broke ninjas or you want princess treatment, you better be worth it. My together, all my not saying I'm perfect or have everything, just there's no lack over here. And of course, I want more and to be better. And I'm actually working on myself. I'm working on myself. He says, I was shot a long time ago. That's why I'm in a wheelchair. And I live alone. I drive and I'm him. Anything else you want to know, ask. So Vincent is coming out the gate calling you a female. He's talking about princess treatment, but his is together. So he says that he's 6'4" and he's in Atlanta and he doesn't have kids. He's looking for friendship, but I am wondering if he needs a little bit more companionship because he needs help. But he says that he has it all together, so he might not need anything. He just has a whole lot of audacity, in my opinion. Y'all can weigh in though. Ruben, 34, also didn't have a picture attached. Read this shit. No to not smiling with teeth showing in pics. No to no rainbow butt ninjas allowed. No to small boobs. No to overly privileged. No to kids. No to no job. No to no car. No to no money. He's out the gate with all of his no's. He knows all the things he don't. And he's like, see how simple I am? Those are the standards, and I don't break them for no one. He loves double negatives. Other than that, I'm really easygoing, down to earth guy. I treat you how I want to be treated first, and then I treat you how you treat me afterwards. So without further ado, let's date and see where it goes. He's 6'3" and he's in Union City, Georgia. He never smokes. He's looking for just about anything. The is wide open. All right, y'all let me know what you think about all of Ruben's no's. All right, this is Sebastian. Sebastian is 39. Sebastian put his whole name and all of his information in here. My name is Sebastian Keith McKellis. My title is Chevalier of Bretagne, and my court rank is Noblesse. I joined Bumble seeking a relationship. I have a podcast called Chevalier on Facebook, and I also help single women find happy, healthy, and long-term relationships. This dude puts his phone number on his dating site. Who does this? I have no idea. Like I said, if women just get just 10% of the audacity of some of these MFers, we would be doing wonderful things. We would be 100% further along than where we are, because this is Sebastian, and Sebastian got a lot of nerve. All right, y'all tell me what you think about Sebastian. He has a court rank of noblesse, whatever that is. Y'all let me know what you think of this one. This is another one that doesn't have a picture. This is Joe. He's 29. He says, I don't really know what to say. I'm 32, one of a kind, 10 out of 10. Don't waste my time knowing you don't not going to be consistent and F with me on the strength. I'm cussing you out and blocking you. Against all odds, get even when you odd. 100. I'm doing a bid. 2026, my release year. Got my own phone as well. I'm here for a friend and a commitment. I'm ready to live, smile, and have someone for real, for real. I'm healed, happy, and wiser. Don't come playing games. Hashtag stiff arm. Staying grounded, keep safe. I'm sorry, stay grounded, keep safe. He just needs somebody to talk to, y'all. And he's 6'1", and obviously, like he said, he's locked up and doing a bid and having the nerve. Talk about he cussing you out. That's all he can do is cuss you out, because he can't do nothing because he locked up until 2026. These people and their audacity, I'm befuddled. Mr. Global, who's 33, also didn't have a picture, but if you look, you can see some gray hairs already accumulating in that beard. He says he is the CEO of Goddess Empire Builders. I got a weakness for knowledge-seeking goddesses and ambitious nerdy brats, serious about entrepreneurially the lock the money and or spiritual manifestation. The usage of these emojis is amazing. So I'm looking for a ambitious and adventurous goddess bestie partner that's a vibe to make personal. At this stage, I want more than just great orgasmic sex. I want to vibe, have fun, cuddle up, travel the world, be silly, spoil, and build the world empire with my bae. Let's grab some drinks and I guess smoke some gas and have some fun. See if we vibe. There's a lot of emojis in here. He's 33. He's not 23. He is 33 with this grayish beard, and he is using these emojis like a boss. Y'all jump in and let me know what you think about Mr. Global. Y'all know what? That's it for now. I think we had quite a bit. That was enough. There was a lot in there. A lot of asthma inducing, bronchitis inducing dustiness. There was plenty, but just know there will be more coming, because I have a lot of terrible dating profiles in my inboxes to make videos out of. If you have any, you can send them to my IG. I'm Bourbon Bougie over on Instagram. All right, jump in the comments. Let me know which one was your favorite. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.